Hello everybody. So as you can see, I'm in my car, and you guessed it, yes, I do drive manual. Anyway, this gets dirty. For my job, my hands get real dirty and sweaty, and when I go to drive home, unfortunately the dirt comes off my hand and gets onto here. So what you gotta do, get some paper towels, get some rubbing alcohol, rubbing alcohol near your feet, careful not to kick it. So now what you do is go like this. It might take a little bit to get off, but as you can see, it's coming off. And that is for my hand sweating. It's not going to be totally perfect, but it's going to be better than it was. And the two's notorious for this. There we go. Now, as you can see, the reason these numbers are dirtier than these two, is because a lot of times in heavy traffic, I'm only going to be able to shift into second gear. So now, I'm going to clean the other side, but what I'm going to do is, in this case, right out of my hand, even though the car's turned off and I could shift into neutral without touching the clutch, I don't like to do that because that's hard shifting. Back centers itself up, and now I can get to the front. Alright, so the front's clean. So now what I can do is, if I want to check, I can just push it over here. Since I'm still in neutral, so this isn't going to hurt the transmission. So I want to get the other side, so I'm going to put it in third. Whoop. There we go. So now, oh, kind of hard to tell when the car's not running in this car. So now I need some more rubbing alcohol. So what I do is I take this again. It's not going to be perfect. Ooh, there we go. Once again, and it is coming off. Careful you don't actually take the shift knob itself off, because you don't want to do that. So now you got a nice clean stick and you're good to go. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.